We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for one more drop. And then we mentioned if we get any drop, then from there, if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. What we were expecting, we expected the price if it can break the previous low. As what? Okay. As what we can see the price, it dropped as what we're looking for, but it couldn't break the previous low and we get the reversal. The only way to look for buy if anyone get the trade from here or based on 1 hour, based on lower time frame. You want to see what's the next, whether this is the start of the up move or still we can look this one internal as a flat as one more tree. This one tend to dip a correction for one more drop. Mostly the way it's moving, if it's continue and the price break the previous top, we can expect this is the start of the up move. Anyway, even if refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned if in case the price reverse from here, we can have entry above this, but right now it's not valid because we get the down move, okay? And right now we want to see what's the next. In this case, we move to daily chart. As we can see based on daily chart after the price drop, now we want to see whether we can get the reversal. That's why based on 1 hour chart, we have been looking for buy. And if we move to 4 hour chart, from what we can see here, if there is a continuation, as I mentioned, with the breakout of this top, maybe this is the start of the up move. We don't need to wait for one more drop. Anyway, based on 4 hour chart, we don't have any trades set up to look for buy to look for. And if we move to 1 hour chart, all right, now want to see what's the next. Whether this is this internal correction, and we can put this one as a 1, 2, 3. That means this one is DP correction. We expect to get one more drop before we get the reversal, or this is the start of the up move. Okay. Before we discuss about that, what I want to say is that whoever get the trade from here, move their stop loss to break even. Now, if we see there is a continuation with the breakout of the previous top, any flag or correction from there, we can look. If we get any trade set up for buy, we take it. And what we're looking for continuation as a sharp move, not corrective move. But if the price continues as a corrective move, we are not going to look for trade because mostly we can expect to get the one more drop. And even if the price gives us any sharp move down flag, we can look for sell. But the next down move may doesn't retest the previous low. May this one turn to a deeper correction. All right, that means we get one more drop. Then from there the price reverse, and all depends on what we get here. All right, that's why if we mention if there is a continuation, any flag with the breakout of this or correction above that, we can look for buy. But if the prices start to correct here, there was no continuation, we can expect to get one more drop because we can look for this one as the internal flat as a 1, 2, 3, and maybe we get one more drop. If the price drop, break the previous low, any reversal can give us very good confirmation, but all depends on what we get here. Okay, right now we cannot look for any trade either buy or sell. The only thing is we see what we can hit. If there is a continuation, then as I mentioned with the breakout of this as a sharp move, if we get any trade set up from there, we can take the trade. Rather than that, we are not going to look for buy. And right now, I don't think it's a good idea to look for buy. The best things if anyone get the trade from here. Okay, in this case, we just follow the chart. Right now, we don't have any trade set up, and we follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share.